Hello, welcome back to Simple Trends. Today, let's see how to make the traditional South Indian special, Vatha Kuzhambu. For that, I have taken half a cup of shallots, a few garlic cloves, 1 tomato. I have soaked a small lemon-sized tamarind with salt in hot water and extracted the pulp. For the seasoning, I have taken 1 teaspoon mustard, half teaspoon fenugreek or methi seeds, 1 dried red chilli, a few curry leaves, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 to 2 spoons of sambhar powder. If you don't want to use sambhar powder, you can replace it with 1 spoon of dry red chilli powder and 1 spoon of coriander powder. 1 spoon of jaggery. This will enhance the taste of the Vatha Kuzhambu. It is optional, but it gives a very good taste on addition. Vatha Kuzhambu tastes best when made with gingelly oil. Take a pan. I prefer using my 3-liter cooker as it is heavy bottomed and convenient to handle. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of gingelly oil. Heat it. Now we will start adding the tempering. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of fenugreek or methi seeds, dry chilli. Now allow it to splutter and add half teaspoon of hing. Now add the garlic, shallots and curry leaves and turmeric. Cook it for a minute. In the meanwhile, I have pureed the tomato. Adding pureed tomato instead of chopping them gives a good color and enhances the taste. It also helps in thickening the Vatha Kuzhambu. Now add the sambhar powder. Cook for a few minutes. This will be ready in around 15 minutes. By the time you cook rice, you can make this Vatha Kuzhambu. Vatha Kuzhambu brings a lot of childhood memories for me. During our summer vacations, when we used to go to our grandma's place, all of us kids would sit around her and my grandma used to mix this Vatha Kuzhambu rice in a big vessel. She used to give it to us in our palms. By the time she gives the last one in the row, the first one should have finished and would be waiting for the next serving. Add the tamarind water. Allow it to boil for 10 to 12 minutes till the raw smell of tamarind goes and it will reduce in quantity and thicken. Now add the jaggery powder and allow it to boil for some more time. You can see it has thickened well. I have not added any other thickening agents. If you want, you can add 1 teaspoon of rice flour mixed with 1/4 cup of water to thicken it, but it has already thickened on its own. Vatha Kuzhambu is ready to be served. We enjoyed our Vatha Kuzhambu with lady's finger fry. It tastes well with potato or applams or papad too. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Stay tuned to Simple Trends for more easy recipes. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.